Well, the city has been installing solar for a very long time. The first project that we installed was in 2003 at the Moscone Convention Center. That was actually one of the largest projects that we did at the time, and one of the largest projects in the city at 600 kilowatts. And since that time, the city has put in 10 additional projects. Sunset Reservoir is now the biggest project, that's 5 megawatts. And this is just another project in our portfolio. It's 24 kilowatts, and we're excited to see it go in on the Chinatown Public Health Center.
Well, we're very enthusiastic about solar because it's greenhouse gas free. It represents a means of getting away from imported foreign oil for our electrical generation.
There's also very little moving parts. It's pretty maintenance free, and it's actually relatively easy to install.
Well, the basic steps, there is a lot of background, primarily engineering, specifications that are written and done before the job actually comes out to be installed, but actually the installation itself is fairly straightforward.
The first step in a project like this is putting the project out to bid. We get a number of competitive bids from many local contractors, and then we choose the best contractor for the job. When the job is awarded, the project goes into design. The design consists of the structural design as well as the electrical design and how it is connected to the building's electrical infrastructure. Once the design is approved, the contractors will begin constructing the racking system. And as soon as that's complete, they will lay out the solar modules. They will finish the electrical infrastructure by connecting the wires in the conduit, which will then be connected to the building's electrical infrastructure through an inverter. The inverter converts power from DC electricity to AC electricity. This is a pretty standard installation. You see the racking here and the modules going on. This is pretty similar to most rooftop applications that you see in the city.
On this project, this happens to be a non-penetrating system, which means that we weren't allowed to penetrate the roof. So that caused some specific issues for us, which were more difficult than we anticipated, but they're overcome in the field and also in our engineering design.
The one unique feature about these panels is that they are the highest efficiency panels on the market. One of the most important steps that you can take before installing solar is to make sure that the facility is as energy efficient as possible. So what that means is often doing an audit of the facility to find out where the energy is being used and if there's technologies that can be utilized or systems that can be replaced so that the building does not use as much energy. So before we installed this project, we actually did an energy efficiency project here, which upgraded some of the lighting and the HVAC system. San Francisco's municipal load includes public schools, general hospital, health centers, libraries, police and fire stations, the airport, Muni, and other city services. All of these vital services get their energy from our clean energy portfolio, which consists of hydroelectric generation as well as solar and biogas generation. These systems are clean and renewable. Most of San Francisco's municipal power comes from the Hetch Hetchy power system. This system generates clean, greenhouse gas-free hydroelectricity. That system generates 1.6 billion kilowatt hours of energy each year.
This is, I believe, our 11th solar installation. We have a little over 7 megawatts at present before adding these in, and we have several more that are planned.
To learn more about our other clean power initiatives, visit sfwater.org.